Alright. What is good, everybody on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel here at the Dad Life. I hope everyone is having a blessed and healthy day today. In today's video, as you guys can see from the title, this is going to be the mystery box from Snkrflea. I don't know if you guys ever heard about them, but I think the first video that I've seen with this one was, I believe it was Harrison Neville actually promoted it first, and then Kais Omar where he actually pranked his girlfriend, and then I believe it was Seth Fowler as well that promoted this as well. So if you guys don't know Snkrflea, they are doing like a bunch of slots for their mystery boxes. I guess you would call this unbagging since it's not really a mystery box. You are guaranteed 2 antisocial t-shirts, which is $120. I believe that's how much the slot was, and I think you could buy multiple slots if you wanted to, and I think it was 100 slots total. So I guess Snkrflea actually put a golden ticket inside the bags, so if you get the golden ticket you win the red Octobers, and I think that's the first sneaker they're actually giving away on this mystery box, and I'll leave their link down below in the description box if you guys want to purchase their next mystery box. I believe it's going on tomorrow. I'm not guaranteed, but like I said, if you guys want more information on that, make sure you guys go follow them on Instagram. This actually took a minute to get here. I think I purchased this about a month ago, and I don't think they started shipping a bunch of their stuff till like within like this week or last week. I'm not sure because I actually got this in today. So it definitely took a minute to get here, but I'm definitely excited. Like I said, you are guaranteed 2 antisocial t-shirts, which equals the value of the slots, so you could always resell or sell the t-shirts to get your money back. Hopefully I get a golden ticket in this bag, so I feel like Willy Wonka, you know, Willy Wonka in the Chocolate Factory getting the golden ticket. Before we get started with all this, make sure you guys smash that subscribe button if you are new here, and make sure you guys hit that like button, man. It really helps the channel grow. Let's go ahead and get into it. I'm kind of nervous, man. Get into it. So I got some 2 t-shirts, and let's see if I got the golden ticket. So it looks like I did not get the golden ticket. It looks like I didn't, so it is what it is. I did get some cool t-shirts out of it. I got a pink one, as you guys can see, and I got a turquoise one. So definitely 2 colors that is definitely not my style, but I'll go ahead and just open it up for you guys. This is a size medium, which is my size. Boom. So it's just a regular antisocial t-shirt, as you guys see back of here, antisocial club. So another one is the pink one. Boom, just another regular antisocial t-shirt. In the back is an antisocial. Unfortunately, I did not get the golden ticket. So hey, if you got the golden ticket, hey, let me know in the comment section. Let me know if you guys purchased the mystery bag, mystery box, whatever you guys want to call it, from Snkrflea. I know a lot of people are still waiting for their mystery box to come in the mail. So if you're watching this and if you're still waiting for your mystery box, just to let you know, I did not get the golden ticket. So let's go ahead and get on to the next one. As you guys know, today was a release date of the Jordan 5 alternate grapes. As you guys see, a Jordan 5 box. You guys probably know because I just kind of spoiled it. You might see it from the title anyways. So as you guys can see, I am so excited to get this in hand, man. I already did an early review or early look to it if you guys want to go check that out as well. But so as you guys can see, man, look at this sneaker, bro. This sneaker is really clean. Let me tell you guys that. The color just pop. The material is like a Durbuck, Nubuck feel to it. There is a little bit of suede on there, but I feel like it's more of a Nubuck, Durbuck. I feel like this sneaker will definitely get scuffed up really easily. So just be careful when you wear these. Definitely have to put some Crep Protect or some, you know, repellent spray on this sneaker, because like I said, man, this is definitely a shoe that you do not want to scuff up nor get some like really bad stains on this, because it's gonna be a B word to get that stain off. But man, let me know in the comments section if you guys picked this up today. I think resale value is looking pretty decent. It's around $250, $280, I believe, depending on your size. Let me know in the comments section if you guys cop this. Did you guys sleep? Did you guys keep? You guys let me know in the comment section below. But like I said, that is pretty much it for the video. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys drop a like on this video. It really helps the channel grow. And if you guys are new here, please consider subscribing to the channel. We are on the road to 4,000 subscribers, like I said, man. So make sure you guys wash your hands, stay safe, and stay healthy out there, guys. This is the Dad Life signing in, signing out. Peace.